Hey guys and gals, this is Jim here. Might sound a little rough in this video. This one and that, probably do another one after this with some review and stuff. But I got a real bad cold the end of last week, man, and it's just hanging and lingering in my head. And the next day it moves to the chest and back to the head and everything. So bear with me. I'll try to make things as clear as possible, but. Anyway, I just received a package today. I picked this up last week, the new Godzilla, King of the Monsters Blu-ray and all that. Another one of my favorite things besides Star Trek and other types of sci-fi. I always been into the Godzilla movies since I've been a kid, the old black and white Japanese ones when I was growing up and everything, and you know, with Ghidorah and Mothra and all the creatures and stuff. So I had to pick it up, being I got the previous one and the one back in 2000 and stuff and that. So, but along with this year being the 65th anniversary, back from 1954 to 2019, this arrived in the mail just a couple minutes ago from Round 2 and the Auto World store, and it's the big 1/44th scale Godzilla King of the Monsters kit, and this box is quite massive, as you can see my hands. I'll try to back it up a bit, but this box is about the size of the model. It's 16 inches tall, and that's what they say the Godzilla model measures. So it comes with everything you need to do the little diorama. You see the tank. It comes with the tank, the destroyed building tops and everything like that, the railroad cars that he's holding and biting down on and stuff. And if you turn the back of the box around, it's got over 75 detailed parts, full color background. They actually have the back and the sides of the box actually make a background for your diorama and stuff. And planning on doing some lighting on this diorama, you know, like fire and smoke and stuff like that on the base. I thought that would look pretty cool, something different. And other than years ago I did the Mr. Spock with that three-headed creature coming out of the crater. I've never worked on a figure type kit, so this is going to be it. And when I saw this last year that it was going to be coming out this year, I said I definitely got to get that, because that's something I definitely would like to have a display of and stuff, is the old Godzilla and stuff. Now this is based off the original Godzilla, not the new movie ones and stuff. And the new movie one is the same Godzilla that was in the last release a couple of years back and everything. It's just a remake of the old Godzilla with all the different creatures, but it's the newer looking Godzilla. It's not based on the original looking one with the guy in the rubber suit. So, but anyway, this came today, and like I said, you can see it's a big box and everything. So that's, I mean, they got a hard time getting my hand to grip it and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this video short one, just to show you what I got. And I'm going to open up the box and get all the parts out and go through them, because I already checked them out. They're still in the plastic, but I wanted to do this quick video just to show you the size of the box. This box is full packed with plastic. It's not like plastic and a lot of air. This thing's got mostly plastic and very little air. The tail itself barely fits in one hand, and it's just half the tail assembly. So I'm gonna come back in a little bit with another video on this, and we'll show you the parts and what you get and everything, and just how big this beast is gonna be. So we'll talk to you soon. Take it easy. Thanks for all my subscribers. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for hitting the like button, and we'll talk to you in a few. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye.